Hello, this is my first video tutorial. I will explain how I animated this run cycle through this video tutorial. There'll be 4 parts. Part 1 is introduction. I will explain what you will need before you start this tutorial. And in part 2, I will show you how I applied mocap data to human character. And part 3, I will show you how I edited this running mocap data to make more interesting, and also I will explain how I edited to make smooth looping. And in part 4, I will show you how I added secondary motions. I used a script called Overlapper. It's very useful tools and very simple to use. So if you learn how to use these tools, it will be really handy when you work on some character which has many secondary props on body. And also I will explain some tips to make this when you use this script if you just use it, the looping may not work properly. It can be popping, and when you loop it doesn't look like very smooth. So I'll explain how I use this tool and still look the looping as smooth. Okay, that will be all for part, and each part will be like 20 or half an hour. Okay, and I will explain what you will need to prepare before you start this tutorial. You will need one human character, and if you have any script for importing mocap data, it will be nice. But if you don't have, you can just make human IK setup on your rigging. I will not explain much about HIK setting because there's already many tutorials on internet. You can search human IK setup on custom rig, and then you will find many tutorials on YouTube. I found my character from kielfiggins website. He have online store, and there are a bunch of nice characters. I grabbed this one, Conejo. I found this rigging is really good, and the riggings from kielfiggins website. I'm not sure it's every character, but most of the human type character they can use FK-IK matching script, and also there is human IK setup script as well. So it will be really easy to add human IK setup on this any kind of this character, any human type character. And also, before you buy any of this character, if you just want to try, you can just grab some free character. There's some nice free character as well, so you can just grab this, and script also working with this free character. If you have character ready, you will need motion capture data. I grabbed motion capture data from Maya 2020.1. They added new plugin. If you go Windows Animation Editor, and you will see Motion Library, this new plugin and this online store which you can buy motion capture data clips. There are many motion capture data, and you can, before you download it, you can see all different angles, and the price is not very expensive, and also there are many free clips, motion clips as well, so you can just grab those free clips to learn mocap editing. I use one. You can just search with run, and I use this one, run with weapon 2. As you can see, this character looks like holding one sword on right hand, which is perfectly suited with my character. So I use this one, and this one is free mocap data, so you can just download it. But if you don't have my 2020.1, so you can't use Rokoko Motion Library, what you can do, you can go Game Anim website. This website created Jonathan Cooper, who is very awesome animator. He has really good information on his website. He explained with a motion builder, so if you are a motion builder user, this will be really helpful. And you have a bunch of articles on his website, so I highly recommend to check his website. And on this article, he linked one running mocap data, so you can grab this and you can use this FFX file for my tutorial as well. So those two are what you will need. Okay, if you prepared these two, let's move to next part.